Whoop-de-doo for my Subaru. My window won't open. What are we gonna do? Hey, welcome back. We have an 06 Forester here today when the driver's window will not open. Now, what do we got to figure out what's wrong with it? It's probably the switch, but we won't know for sure. This one kind of feels a little wonky. The rest of the windows open and close. No problem. First thing we got to do is pull off the door panel here to get some access to check the motor and see if we got power getting to the motor.
We have a screw hidden under this little plastic cover.
There. This should pop off.
The Phillips head screw is out.
Pry this up. There we go. This little trim piece needs to come off. There's a small notch you could see down in there. You just kind of work your way around. There we go. With the pry tool, work your way around the panel and pop it off. Or your fingers. Okay, to unplug the switch, you got to push on this tab to pull it out. And this one could be a little difficult. There's a small little notch in there you got to kind of push on to get it to release and pull it out of the way. Now we can get the door panel out of the way. And it looks like somebody was here before us. We got the lead to the power window motor unplugged right now, and now I have a voltmeter. We have the terminals hooked up to the back side of the plug here, and we're going to see if we have voltage coming to it. Okay, the voltmeter's hooked in. We got the key on. We got our voltmeter here. Let's see if we got any voltage showing. Yes, we do. That's up. That's down. All right. Let's test the window motor now to see if that's the issue. It looks like it is. So it's still unplugged. We're going to get a battery with some jumper wires and hook it up here and basically jump start the motor, see if it works. I've got a piece of wire with some spade connectors on it and some bare ends. We're going to plug this into the line that goes to the motor, and then we're going to jump start it with a little jump pack to see if we can get any movement out of this. Let's get these plugged on here. We're going to just touch them to the battery terminals on here and get some movement. Now I might totally screw myself and not be able to get this back up right now, but let's see what happens at least. That is dead. Let's try the other way. Reverse the polarity. Try to go make it go down. We got nothing. So we got a bad motor. We need to order a motor and then replace it. Might be another video, or it might be coming up real soon. Stay tuned. So you could use this technique with the jumper wire to test the motor, or if you have one that has intermittent problems, you could get the window to go back up at least so you could drive the car and not get soaking wet. So what we're going to do with this now is we don't have a motor here. We're going to leave it unplugged so my cousin doesn't accidentally put the window down. We're going to put the panel back on. We're going to order a motor and we're going to replace it at another time. So look for a video for that coming real soon.